In this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up stand in Please Donate Roblox. This is very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, get closer to any unclaimed stand. You can see in the bottom unclaimed. This means that this stand is unclaimed. Now I will claim this stand by holding this button. Now I am going to edit this stand. First of all, I will edit this text up here. So hold on edit. I will change the text from 555 to 666. Then tap on apply and the new text applied. Then again hold on the edit button and tap this setting icon. These are both models and you have to buy these. You need 1k donated Robux for the second one and 10k donated Robux for the third one. So how you can get Robux? The best way is to make a game pass and sell it here like this. I am selling two, one for 8 Robux and second one for 12 Robux. You can see I am selling this boy pass for 12 Robux and it's saying I already own this item. So how can you make and sell these game passes? Full video is on the I button. Doing all that process again looks double practice. So watch that full video so you can make your own game pass, and I will also add in the end screen. This is how you can set up stand in Please Donate Roblox.